What's up, guys? This is Toad here, and today is another reaction. Now, I haven't seen this video before. It is called SMF Short, the Fireworks Problem. If you guys want to check out this video, a link will be in the description. Let's do this. I've heard this on a YouTube video editor before. It's probably original. It's like, give me a sec. Sorry, just had to do that. Why is there an ad there? Oh, it's gone. Oh. Okay, the it's supposed to be a fireworks problem. So...
What did this world come to? I don't know, Mario. I don't want to die. Dude, it's not an apocalypse.
No,
is it apocalypse?
It's comets coming down, but fireworks are coming.
Wait, what?
Wait, fireworks, yay. But comments?
Yeah.
Comments?
No, comets.
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
Did he just say comments? Oh, shoot!
Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
Beep, 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 beep.
Awkward.
Okay.
What the?
Okay. Here's fireworks.
Yay!
Fireworks.
Oh, no.
What was that?
Oh, shoot.
Fireworks.
Yeah, that was fireworks.
Oh my god, that is so epic.
Yeah.
That was loud. Okay.
Wait a sec.
That was weird.
Yeah, it was.
Aren't they supposed to explode?
Okay, there's another one coming. Another one.
Another one.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Boom.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well,
That was scary.
Yeah, that was right.
that wasn't really scary. I thought it was awesome, but I thought I thought you got the explosion. Oh, shoot! Oh, that's just real nice.
Hey, that was violent.
That was violent.
Luigi?
What the?
I was gonna say, was that light blue Yoshi twerking?
Ooh.
Cause that looked pretty disturbing.
Luigi?
He fell down.
Yeah.
Died.
Alright, let's get out of here.
We gotta get out of here.
Okay.
The cops are coming. The cops are coming. Wait, there's a cop right there.
Oh, there's a cop right there.
You're dangerous, so guys are coming with me.
No!
Come on.
Okay.
It was his idea.
No, it wasn't my idea.
All right.
You're blaming on me, you
No.
fat jerk.
Okay, fine.
Fat jerk.
It
Oh
was all
god.
our ideas.
Stop. Calm down, everyone. Don't call each other names. Just, all of you guys, including that white dinosaur over there.
Oh, a dinosaur. Yeah, it's a Yoshi.
It scared everyone in the neighborhood. They sounded like gunshots, pistols. That's just illegal.
Gunshots, pistols.
Not on the 4th of July, though.
What?
Time to take these crooks to jail. Well, the 4th of July is like next week, yeah.
Okay, the honking, that kind of... Okay, that kind of made me laugh a little bit. Okay, so SMF lesson, don't play with fireworks. Really? Okay, okay, so this is, it was nice. I mean, could have added more to it. I don't think they were playing with fireworks. I actually saw this, okay, I saw that there was no, guys messing with fireworks whatsoever. There was also no gunshots, no pistol shootings, nothing like that. However, there was a little bit of, some car crashes and whatever, and, well, that sparkling light was. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, there will be a link in the description if you want to go check out the original video. And as always, peace out.